Hi again, my name is Yura, and we continue on our songs with the Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection. Of course, I need to put some on this book. Another book, next book, gonna have many more songs, but this one have only 300 and as many as years, You have like 340 songs, at least 330. That's how many songs this book have from all over the world in many different languages. And of course, if you have a song that you want to share with us, please comment in my comment section. And of course, press the like button, smash it, destroy it. Just put this like button and subscribe, please, to my channel. That's gonna help me a lot with algorithm, and we can share the Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection that I collected while traveling the world. And I don't know who wrote this song. This song might be very old, it might be ancient, but I've heard this song at the Rainbow Gatherings, and I'm sure some of you already know this song, maybe not. You never know, but you can learn. You see, it's called Standing Like a Tree. You can use ukulele, guitar, drum, anything for this song because it's like a booming song, like boom, like drums, boom, boom, like a heartbeat song. That's why I call it a heart song. The chords is A minor. That's how A minor looks in ukulele. C. That's how C looks in ukulele. A minor again. C. G. That's how G looks on ukulele. And A minor. Pretty easy. We can all do it. I'm gonna put lyrics for the song here in my comment section. Please comment if you have a song to share with me, or any thought you wanna share with me. If you like this video, dislike it, or wherever, just share your love, share your hate, share everything. Just put it there on the beat. The only thing, we come here to harmonize ourselves and come together. Okay? That's why the book is created. And that's why I'm doing this challenge to share with you this book. You're welcome to support me. You can even buy the book, but you don't have to because it's going to be free right here. Okay? Let me do it for you. So you can learn and you can do it for many other people. That's very important for us to share the message of unity and harmony around the world, to stop all the wars everywhere. Standing like a tree with the roots down deep, and my heart light and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Well, I started very fast. You can do it very slower as well, like that. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is right and open. Come down the rain, down to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is bright and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is bright and open. Down comes the rain, down to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the roots, to the heart that is opening, standing like a tree. The song is like a spell because all you want to create is harmony. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Comes the rain, comes to the roots, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Standing like a tree with my root down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the roots in the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree. Standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is right and open. Comes the rain, come to the root, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree, standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the root, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree, standing like a tree with the roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the root, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree, standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is wide and open. Down comes the rain, comes to the root, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree, standing like a tree with my roots down deep, and my heart is right and open. Down comes the rain, come to the root, to the heart that is opening. I'm standing like a tree, standing like a tree with my root down deep, and my heart is right and open. Down comes the rain, come to the root, to the root that is opening. Standing like a tree. Thank you. That's the song number 22. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this song with everyone and share my video with everyone. Thank you very much.